Um, so my child just graduated from the Gomati class, which is the transitional kindergarten class, and I'm so happy to talk about Vidyaram Santa Clara. We had a wonderful experience here at the school. He joined when he was about 3.5, just about potty trained, and it was great. And he continued until he's 5.5 now, and we've had a great experience here. Firstly, when it comes to the emotional support that the teachers have provided him and the comfort. So, as you may know, it's an Indian immersion school. So, what stands out is how the kids develop Indian values when they're young. And at the same time, they're also taught the regular subjects: science, maths, social science, and geography. I think the other aspect of his development was also the important thing at that age. I think for all kids would be developing good food habits, and I think Gomati's food was really healthy, and it's also important that it's prepared the right way. And the food here is extremely good. They provide breakfast, lunch, early dinner. So as parents, we drop them off at 9 and pick them up in the evening, and we're tension free, we're worry free, we're so assured that they're well taken care of. And yeah, he's my son. He made a lot of friends, and we parents also, we've made a separate group, and we regularly meet with each other. The kids have play dates thanks to Vidyaram, and I would highly recommend Vidyaram for your kid. And another aspect I think I missed talking about is the Indian aspect. So basically, they celebrate Indian festivals. There are days where there's so many Indian festivals, and the kids are asked to wear Indian clothes. I think that instills in them, the connection to India, and also there's another aspect is the sloka recitation. And every day the teachers ask the kids to recite slokas, and some of the slokas even I don't know. They're quite complicated, but thanks to my son, I've learned it from him. So that is great. And also of late, recently they introduced performing arts. So my son has participated in plays during festivals. There was a Shiva play, there was a Hanuman play, and a lot of other activities. There's also dance, there's yoga, there's sports day. So whatever you get in a regular school, plus additionally you get a lot of learning from for the kids on Indian culture, festivals, which I think is great. It's hard to find such schools in the US, and we're really happy with our journey at Vidyaram. Yeah, thank you.